Hey everyone, it's Matt from Zen Shop, and today I'm actually in beautiful Antalya. We moved over here 2 days ago from Georgia to Tbilisi, where I was previously recording my videos. It's absolutely lovely here. Really happy. Going to be staying here over Christmas and New Year's, and a little bit into the 2023. Um, but the important update today I wanted to share with you guys is some progress on making ZenShop work with SMS and soon to be also WhatsApp as well. I think once the SMS is completed, we'll also do WhatsApp quite quickly afterwards. And I wanted to share with you some thoughts on other features as well, which I'm talking to users and customers of ZenShop about the future direction of where we'll go. Um, really excited to share you what we're doing. You can see in front of us the classical ZenShop conversation screen. I've sent a message. We've also got this new little iconography here explaining what type of message you've sent, because this is now important because we're going to be able to send different types of messages to customers. So this was an email sent to my email address and it's been verified as sent because the callbacks for email have established that this was successfully sent. Um, and we've also got a user here, me, who has got both an email address and a phone number. So now what we can see is there's the ability to select the phone number in the reply box. So when we do this and we write a reply, so hello world, or we make a comment. There we go. There we go. All right. So this is now an SMS sent to this telephone number here, which you can see when you hover over the SMS icon. And it's also been verified as sent as well. That is now the ability for ZenShop to send SMSs. We can also do this with bulk replies as well. So if a conversation had a number associated with that conversation as the most recent message, if you do a bulk reply, it will also send it over SMS. The thing that I'm working on now is actually handling replies coming in from SMS into ZenShop, because currently I can send SMSs, but I can't receive SMSs into ZenShop. So that's the other half of the feature which I'm doing. So this was made possible actually with an integration with MessageBird. So you can see here in the settings, there's a new tab here for MessageBird, which I'm really excited. So you click here, and basically all it requires is you to type in an API key, which you generate through MessageBird, and then it will allow you to select the number which you've got with your MessageBird account. And then from there, all of your communications over SMS will be sent and received from this phone number. Um, MessageBird seems really great. Honestly, I'm really happy with it. But I'm doing more testing, and I'm also just validating all of the usage and workflows around SMS. But I'm pretty confident that early January now, I think this will be shipping. I did want to get it done by Christmas. I think if I had worked a little bit harder and a little bit more focused, and I didn't have some distractions around moving to Turkey, it would have probably been done by now. But it's just been the fact that I've had to move country temporarily, and start just get life things in order to unfortunately not ship this by Christmas. But it is coming along quite quickly. And after this as well, there'll be WhatsApp integration. MessageBird effectively allows me to do both integrations quite quickly. Um, anyways, so the other feature that I'm really excited to talk about, actually, which I've been thinking about in more detail, is the ability for ZenShop to capture customer feedback. So this is a feature which is quite common in customer support systems. You'll have a conversation with customer, you'll mark the ticket as resolved, And then shortly afterwards, there'll be a scheduled email or SMS later on asking the user to send feedback. So this will be the first uh, feature that we'll do related to customer feedback. So we'll have an automation. It'll probably appear here as your maybe a workflow or something, where you create a workflow related to automating customer feedback. And then there'll be a new tab as well where you can see feedback from your customers. Maybe like you could do something like give me a rating of a star of 5 to 0. And this will indicate how happy the customer was with that reply that the support agent had given them. Um, but following on from this, which I think is a really interesting improvement that we can do with the e-commerce angle of ZenShop, is because a lot of stores want to show their social proof of how their store is performing with customer feedback. Obviously, did I get my order? Am I happy with the product? All these things. Well, like I feel like it would be a natural progression for ZenShop to have the customer support in place, where we're talking to our customers and we're solving their problems. But we can also further get more data from customers and show that on your store. So it's not a big deal of work, honestly. It's simply me creating a little widget which you can embed in the theme. So we've already done that actually with the help desk. So that uses the Shopify theme API to embed the widget into the store. So we can have an additional extension which allows the store to embed reviews widget, which basically just shows the customer feedback which we've collected through our automation, and show it on your store. And maybe there'll be like an option in the feedback form to say, I'd be happy to show this on the website as a review. And we also can show that this was a verified customer review. So we know that if the review is shown in this widget, it's actually real customer feedback. So that I think will be important as part of the social proof for ZenShop, is that we make sure that all the feedback is legitimate and not fake. Because I think sometimes some stores can embed fake reviews, and I want to make ZenShop have an authoritative standpoint on customer feedback. Yeah, so that's going to be the next couple of features for ZenShop coming up, which will be dropping, early next year, basically. So we're talking like January, February time. But these are really exciting improvements for ZenShop's direction, and I'm really excited to share with you how we get along with that. Anyway, I hope everyone has a really wonderful Christmas and New Year's. I hope you're relaxing and enjoying your time with your family. Certainly am now in Antalya. I'm really excited to be here. It's really nice and warm and very relaxing, and helps me get in the mindset for January and cracking on with some awesome features for ZenShop. Anyway, see you soon. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll give you updates as soon as they arrive. Bye. Thank you.